Hi, I'm Chris Ravenscroft. I own Koberlein Environmental Services. Thanks for checking out another one of our videos. I was thinking recently about the selection process that some of our customers must go through before they decide to use Koberlein or somebody else. And I would hope that one of the things that most people consider is experience. You need to think through the person that's going to come out and service what is the most valuable system within your home, your septic system. We train our new drivers through a formal written program. We then have a ride-along mentor program with senior technicians, and only after they've proven themselves to be qualified do we let our new drivers go out and service residential septic systems. Many of our people are far from new. They've been here 10, 15, or 20 years, and in that time they've gathered a wealth of information on how to service a residential system like yours. Collectively, our company's been in business since 1960, so we have data on many of the homes in the region, data that can be helpful when it comes to making decisions on what services are required for preventative maintenance for your system. So in your thought process, keep in mind, experience counts. 60 years in business, 50 well-experienced employees, we're all here for you. Should you need us, give us a call. If you ever have any questions, don't hesitate to reach us at 253-3660 in Honesdale, or leave us a note below. Reach out to us online. As always, thank you for checking out our videos. If you like it, please share it. Thanks for your business.